Starting here at MarineMax, Baltimore. I want to welcome you aboard the 2020 Scout 255 LXF. Starting here at the transom, as you can see, you have twin swim platforms, one with a boarding ladder. You have your dual 150 Yamahas. You have a walk-through transom here, which is great for getting on and off the boat. As you move forward into the cockpit, you'll notice that you do have a fold-down seat back here, which is great for cruising, but then will fold right back up if you would like to fish or entertain. You'll notice that you do have rod holders along the back with cup holders. Same thing here for your center console. You do have your trays back here for your fishing. You also have a cooler that comes with the boat. Move here, you do have a bait well, which is recirculating and lit. Moving forward, the seating here is great. It allows you to use this as a lean-to, but also conveniently fold down for a seat. You have your Edson steering wheel with the knob for making it turning easier, Garmin GPS, and your indicator switches for your trim tabs. As you come forward into the boat, notice you do have a spacious head in here. It's tall enough where I can actually stand up. Finally, moving all the way to the bow, you do have a insulated seat back here. You have storage underneath each of these seats, storage on the floor, and really nice for entertainment and just relaxing. You do have a fold-down table here with cup holders. As you move completely forward to the boat, you have a windlass with controls that can be taken care of here or actually at the bow. You also have rod and cup holders here for both entertainment and fishing. Thank you for viewing the 2020 Scout 255 LXF. Please give us a call